How to change font style on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how you can change your Android phone font and give it a fresh look. First thing you need to do is go ahead and open up settings. From settings menu, scroll down and find your display settings. Tap on it. All of the font settings are usually on your display settings, so tap on font size and style. Then you can see the slider for your font size, which you can move to the right side to increase it and to the left side to decrease your size. Once you've done that, you can select your font style from top, tap on it, and you can find different kind of fonts over here. You can also download different fonts by clicking on this download fonts option. It will take you to Galaxy Store, or if you have any other phone, you can find it there as well. Just go ahead and tap on this download button and you should be able to download different fonts. You can also find top free fonts right over here and you'll be good to go. You can additionally go to the search icon and search for free fonts and it should show you some free fonts. Once you've downloaded the font, you can try it, tap on it, and then you can try to purchase it and download it to apply. Then once you have selected that, just select the font, and if you go back, all of your text will now be changed to that particular font. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.